दोस्तों, now today we are starting for the exercise 7.1 question number 1, this for the class 11th. And now question number 3, limit x tends to 5 x raised to cube minus 125 and x raised to 5 then minus 3125. So first one let's check that 125 किसका क्यूब रूट है, या 5 क्यूब रूट इज 125 and this one is 5 raised to 5 3125. So let's see how to solve. So now solution, limit x tends to 5 x raised to cube minus 125 and x raised to 5 minus 3125. So first one, now limit x tends to 5 and now bracket x cube minus 5 cube and upon x minus 5, then upon x raised to 5 minus 5 raised to 5 then x minus 5, right? Now use of the formula, which type of, so first one, x tends to 5, therefore x not is equal to 5. Why? Because now x minus 5 is there, so not is equal to 0. x minus 5 is not is equal to 0. ये हमने स्टेटमेंट में बताया. Now second one, so limit x tends to 5 x cube minus 5 raised to cube and upon x minus 5 and upon limit x tends to 5 x raised to 5 minus 5 raised to 5 then upon x minus 5. Second one, now apply that formula. Since limit x tends to a, then x raised to n minus a raised to n and upon x minus a is equal to n a raised to n minus 1. ये फॉर्मूले अप्लाई करेंगे. So n a raised to n minus 1. Now so n a 3 into 5 raised to 3 minus 1 and upon 5 into 5 raised to 5 minus 1. Now limit हमने अप्लाई किए, is equal to, then is equal to 3 get multiply 5 and power of 2, 5 get multiply 5 power of 4, 5 minus 1 4 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Second one is equal to 3 get multiply 5 2 times because now power of 2, and second one 5 get multiply 5 4 times multiply 1 2 3 and 4, right? Power of 4 is there, get multiply 4 times. So now 5 and 5 get cancelled, then write the remaining 3 upon 5 5 5. So first one, now 3 upon 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this now your answer. क्या लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट वन, लिमिट x tends to 5 x cube minus 125 and upon x raised to 5 3125 and close the bracket. Now your final answer is 3 upon 125. So next video on next lecture. जय हिंद दोस्तों.